Dr. Victoria V. Gazo, our schools Division Superintendent, Division of Bukidnon, represented by Dr. Rolando Acoriba, Public Schools Supervisor of Quezon 2 District Administrators, Mr. Manuel L. Mabalo, our school principal, Mrs. Josephine Dermal, our junior high school and senior high school in charge, our barangay captain, Honorable Larry Rapiado, with his councilmen, SPTA officials under the leadership of Honorable Richie Toledo, our ADCO chairman, Honorable Johnson Libutan, the SGC president, Honorable Arnel Cornita, faculty, our dear parents, honored guests, fellow candidates for graduation, visitors, good morning. It is my honor to welcome each and every one of you to this momentous day of ours. It's remarkable to think that our past 6 years here at the IS are coming to a close. Let's take a moment to think about this journey that we have taken together. Our journey here in the IS is like the life cycle of a butterfly, from being small eggs and slow hovers and develop into shy caterpillars, but have eagerness to learn and discover new things. We are like a pupa that will be willing to accept challenges in the next chapter of our studies. We are filled with excitement and anticipation as one chapter of our education closes and the next stage is about to begin. It is a fantastic achievement for us to have made it, and I am proud to share this moment with all of you. But we have not made it here on our own efforts alone. On behalf of the graduating class 2024, I'd like to take a moment to acknowledge those who have gotten us to where we are today, because the truth is, none of us could have made it here without them. Our dear parents and guardians are here with us today to support us, as they always have. They have been there for us since the beginning, guiding and helping us and watching us grow. They have witnessed us mature into responsible young adults. We are truly grateful for all their efforts, especially their sacrifices for us to live comfortably. Our dear parents, for all that you have done for us, we are delighted that you are here with us on this occasion. Our teachers too are here with us today. The distinguished faculty of the Lapa Integrated School and their dedication to their learners is a hallmark of the school's tradition of excellence. These teachers do their utmost to ensure our success, and we are excited to share this celebration with them. I would be remiss if I will not acknowledge the administration that has been vital to our success, all of whom have worked to get our class where it is today. Thank you also to our Almighty God for the blessings, wisdom, and guidance. For without Him, everything seems meaningless. On behalf of the graduating class 2024, I welcome you all to this ceremony. This is our goal as the year at the IS commences. Let's all continue to work together to help each other to be our best for the world. A warm welcome to everyone again.